it's me, Malibu. Today I'm going to show you what I wear to school. It's a really rainy day, and that's why I'm going to show you what I wear. The first thing I'm wearing is a green Hello Kitty raincoat. It has a Hello Kitty, it has buttons, it has a frog, it has water, and it has pockets. And there's a bird in the cloud, and I have another button on this one. The next thing I'm wearing is rain boots. They're pink. The third thing I have is a dress. It has long sleeve on it. It's brown and pink and black, and it has little circles on them. And also it has stretchy pants. They're colorful and they're stretchy. I like to wear them because they're so colorful, they feel comfortable, and I like to wear them in rainy days. The last thing I wanted to show you are my flowers. One is a clip and one is a hairband. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!